What's up everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video where we're going to be setting up our ActiveCampaign with ClickFunnels, okay? So ActiveCampaign is an email service that allows us to send out emails, make lists, make all different type of sequences and automations. So it's really useful when you're getting a lot of customers, then you can make a big list of people, and if you're having, promotional deals or if you have affiliate offers, you can easily just quickly send that out to your list, right? So all you have to do is sign up for a free account by going to activecampaign.com and sign up. They have a 14-day free trial. So we'll sign up with our name, so the deal box, and our email address is info@thedealbox.co, and you want to create the account. And it's really important to set this up because we want something that can hold all of our people, right? When we have a free plus shipping offer, or we have a product that's doing super well, we're going to be getting lots of emails, and we want that email list to be segmented based on products that we're selling, right? And we can easily do that with an ActiveCampaign. I'm going to show you guys how to do all of that, but first we need to set it up. So let's set our password. I'm just going to make one up. So what are we using it for? Email marketing, marketing automation, sales automation. Let's see. Right now we have less than 2,500 people. What type of help would you like? I don't really need help. I prefer. So let's get started, right? So the first thing we need to do is to integrate ClickFunnels with ActiveCampaign. So all you have to do is go to your account and go to my settings here. And you want to scroll down, and go to developer. And you want to get your API, okay? So this is really important. I'm going to block mine out because I don't want anyone to see it, obviously. But it's going to say API access, then URL, and then key, right? So what we have to do now is go back to ClickFunnels, go to account, go to integrations, add new integration. So the nickname for us, I'm just going to name it the deal box list / course. And we're going to select our integration. So that's going to be ActiveCampaign. And we have to go back to ActiveCampaign to get the API key and the API URL, right? So the URL is right here. So just copy that over, put that URL here, and then copy the key, right? And put the key here. And if you do this correctly, it's going to say success, you've been integrated, right? So there you go. Integration was successfully created. So that's all we have to do now. So now it's going to go back and forth and we can link the two together. So for example, if I wanted to, for example, let's go back to our funnel that we were editing. If I wanted to set this funnel up, so if I wanted to edit this page, so for example, if I were selling a dog product, right? And this is what I was selling. This is just for an example. This is not actually what we're selling, but I want you guys to understand how this works. So what I would do here is I would go to ActiveCampaign and make a new list, right? So for my new list, I would make it, let's see, dog necklace landings. So these are the people that are going to land on our page, and they may not have bought something, but they're putting their email so they can see the price. So /free item. And what we have to do here is we always have to say why you're getting this email, why this person is receiving this email. So you can just say you are receiving this email because you visited the deal box, right? Create list. All right, so now every person that enters their email, right, on this landing page is going to be subscribed to this list. And how do we do that? All we have to do is integrate. So if I go edit page here and I come down to settings and we go to integrations, we can select the integration. So we can say the deal box list course, that's the integration we want. We want the action to be add to list. So every single person who opts in on our landing page will be added to this list, and that list is going to be the dog necklace landing. Okay, and now it's going to say we've connected our autoresponder integration. So if we wanted to start a email sequence of people or send emails to people who didn't buy, we can do that easily by selecting this list, right? So all of the people that land on this page that opt in will automatically get placed in this. So it's super easy and super useful for our automations and for our campaigns that we want to run later on when we're marketing other products or affiliate offers, right? So that's how it works. That's how we're going to be setting up our email list. Very simple, very easy. You get the free trial for 14 days using ActiveCampaign, and that's it, you know? So set it up, set up your account, and follow me into the next video. All right, I'll see you there. That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow there'll be a new video, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.